a severe thunderstorm was located 10 miles east of Fond du Lac, moving east at 40 miles an hour. Hazard, 2-inch hail and 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. The storm has a history of producing large hail. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Sheboygan, Plymouth, Sheboygan Falls, Howard's Grove, Gomer, Elkhart Lake, Greenbush, Cascade, Waldo, Glenboyle, Haven, Johnsonville, and Jimsville. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The storm is producing large hail. Seek shelter now inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows.